welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. Firstly, open up your Coinbase app. And once the main tab is open, you'll find a trade icon in the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then this tab should open up. Here you'll find many assets which you can buy. For now, let's go with Bitcoin, which is in the top of the list. Once this tab is open, you'll find a trade button which is in the blue color at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now click on buy BTC. And in this tab, write in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and then click on the bottom button, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully purchased Bitcoin of your desired amount. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We'll soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.